Hey everyone, a review is going to come soon, but this is quite literally a quick unboxing video so you can see what you get with the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. These are both, of course, 6.1-inch iPhones, the first 5G ready devices. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro with the ceramic shield on both sides, said to be tougher than smartphone glass. It's got the Super Retina XDR display. And as you can see, the new design, which has more squared edges, more reminiscent of the iPhone 5. You also get the extra telephoto lens, a third lens, and the LiDAR scanner for better night portraits and faster autofocus. And this is where you might be disappointed because you don't get much else in the box. You get a little bit of packaging, and you get a Lightning to USB-C cable. So you do not get earpods, and you do not get that charging brick. You have to provide your own, but you may not have one for USB-C, or you may not have a laptop or desktop that has this port. All right, so stay tuned for a review and some videos of the iPhone 12. Thanks for watching.